Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to cancel all kind of scheduled dark theme settings on Google Pixel 7a. So it is very simple. Just open your menu. Just swipe up the screen for menu. You can see here. Then go to settings. Then open display and touch. You can see here display and touch. Open that display and touch. Okay. And after that, just tap on dark theme option. You can see here. Then you can see option of scheduled. Open that and select none for cancel all kind of scheduled. Okay, so in this way you can simply cancel automatic apply of dark theme on your Google Pixel 7a. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.